stand there all night, or are you gonna let me in?
Ben. Stop. Turn around. All right. Come on. Come on.
Le fouiller.
Hey, clean.
Clean. Clean and beautiful. You know, I never imagined that the lotus would be more beautiful than the real flower. I'm gay.
Are we gonna do this or what?
Oh, with my heart. You, wouldn't want a little foreplay before the transaction?
I got places to be.
Concert. Vas-y donc. Here's the goods. Where's the money?
C'est ce qu'on dit, hein, Guy? L'argent, c'est comme le fumier. Faut le répandre.
Philosophique. Tu sais, dans toute nos discussions, t'as jamais mentionné que tu parlais français.
Je suis pleine de surprises.
Non, moi, là. J'aime pas bien les surprises. Débarrasse.
Tabarnak! Laisse-toi, câlisse! C'est une gang de savoir brûler! Tu sais que ça fait tout!
here with some of these recruits. They're good, but they lack experience.
She has field experience, is dedicated, and has been working intel on the Fleur for 4 years.
She speaks French as well.
Native tongue.
You think she has what it takes? I heard she had to take some time off.
She's past that now.
Okay.
Come with me, Agent Chen. You can relax. The mission was a success. Thanks to your intel, we now have Nikolai in custody and know the location of Marcel's next deal.
That's excellent news.
The man who just left here is Mr. White. He runs a specialized unit. I believe you applied some years ago.
Yes, ma'am, that's right.
A sting operation on Marcel is to take place tomorrow at sunrise. He believes you should take the lead.
Me, ma'am?
Who better else to bring this home?
I don't know what to say.
You say yes. This is your chance. I get it. Work-life balance isn't easy. What we do here, Lily, is hard, and it requires sacrifice.
Hey, babe. All set. I cannot wait to get some peace and quiet away from the city's chaos.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Everything okay? You seem a bit off.
Oh, no, it's nothing.
Huh? Got a new one. A Buddhist walks into a bar and he says, "Can you make me one with everything?"
Okay.
Because he's a Buddhist. You like music?
No,
CDs?
no.
Did you move my ladder? Because you need it
Why?
to get on my level. So my boss reached out with the idea of me starting to work remotely. What do you think? Could get out of the city, reduce our expenses. Besides, if we did that, we can even make do on one salary. Okay, Lil. Spill it. Something is off. It's not you taking a step back.
I know. But they want me to take the lead on this. You know how important that is to me.
It was.
I've been tracking LaFleur for years.
You've been gathering intel, Lily. And you've done an incredible job. But why not let someone else take it from here? You in the field? Hey, we've been down this road before.
This is different.
How?
If things go well, maybe I finally get my shot.
Let me tell you how this plays out. You with the insane hours, the late nights, and me here, waiting. I don't want to wait anymore.
This is about more than just me or us. It's about creating a safer place for our future family.
I need to take a walk. Don't wait up.
John. John!
Ta-da. It's tradition. I get one at the start of the trip, and you get one at the end.
Hello?
Who are you?
John? Is that you?
What's your name?
What?
Your name!
John Richardson.
John!
And what am I holding in my hand, John?
I don't... What am I...
What am I holding?
You're holding a hammer.
Hey, Jen, do I have your attention?
Who is this?
If you want to see your husband alive, follow my instructions. You have 10 minutes to reach the address I'm sending you. If you do anything but what I ask, John dies. Congratulations, Lily. You made it here in record-breaking time.
What do you want from me?
In the back seat, you'll find 2 bags. Open the one on the left. A meet is about to take place between a contact who goes by the alias Lotus and a man named Guy.
Guy? As in LaFleur's enforcer?
Precisely. You're to play a role. Lotus is a contact that Guy has never met. Your task is to gain his trust, and when the moment is right, eliminate him.
No, forget it. I'm not doing that.
I think you will, if you value John's life. Go to the furniture store, knock 4 times.
Guy, je me mentionnais que tu parlais français.
Débarrasse. Donne-moi la fleur. Hey, maintenant, tabarnak, ça virait mal, as-tu compris? Hey, André, hey, lève-toi. Oh, ça va, man? Lève-toi! Non, si, je parle pas à toi! Come on. Sniff. Oh, ça te va bien. Sniff, mon Christ! Come on. Ah, si! Whoa. Attends. T'es qui, tabarnak?
Juste une belle fleur avec des épines,
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Qu'est-ce que tu sais sur Marcel qui s'en prend à lui?
S'en prendre? De quoi tu parles ici? Y a pas personne qui va cibler Marcel. Il est trop connecté.
Donne-moi des vraies réponses, tabarnak!
OK, Colin, je vais t'en donner des réponses. Attends. Tiens.
Mr. Chairman, désolé de vous faire attendre. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Marcel, you wanted to see me?
I did. Well, aren't you going to say anything? About my house.
Oh. It's very nice.
Not impressed. Follow me.
Actually, I think after you.
Not many people get to see this.
You paint?
We call it a hobby. This is my latest creation. A reflection of the city. Would you agree?
Oh yeah, sure.
But then again, one can only paint with the colors they're given. And you, my friend, have not been giving me the right colors.
Marcel, I have no...
Yes.
Lily, I gotta admit, you impressed me tonight. I knew you had it in you to kill.
No, that was self-defense.
Really? I'm sure Director Bass would second that.
Why are you doing this?
I have my mission, and you are most suited for it.
I did what you asked, now let John go.
You've made a start, but we're not done yet. 2 more targets remain. He will finish them by dawn.
I won't do it.
Let's ask John about that. shall we? John, what am I holding right now?
It's a hacksaw.
And how does it look? This hacksaw.
It's rusty. And it's dull.
Wait,
You're gonna
no,
fucking feel
stop,
it.
please.
How does that feel?
Okay, wait, okay, I'll do it. Please, stop hurting him.
There's a good girl. I'll send you another address. Now take a breath. You have a long night ahead.
Any leads on Guy's death?
Not as of yet. We've taken a handful of his thugs into custody.
But what's the current story?
Looks like a drug deal went sideways. Found Guy dead, scissors lodged in his neck, right next to a mattress brimming with cocaine.
Could this be linked to the upcoming deal with Marcel?
That's still uncertain.
Okay, get AD Chen in here.
I don't believe Chen's in, man.
Hello?
Agent Chen, are you on your way in?
I'm not coming in, ma'am.
What do you mean you're not coming in?
Something came up. It's personal.
We just found Marcel's main muscle dead. I need you here now.
I'm sorry. But I just can't.
You realize you're putting your entire career on the line.
I understand.
You've been a bad girl, Lily. You spoke to your boss. I told you not to alert the authorities.
I had to get her off my case, otherwise the entire agency would be looking for me.
Fine, I believe you for now. But keep in mind, disobedience will cost John more than a finger next time.
I want to talk to John.
No, not until you finish the next task. Take the other bag from the back seat.
Okay, I have it.
Open it. Now get dressed. Your next target is Jimmy Chen. Are you familiar with him?
Yes. He's the head of LaFleur's money laundering operations.
Correct. Jimmy frequents a club named Zen. Infiltrate the club, drop the pill into his drink, and exit through the back door.
That's suicide. Every triad in the city hangs out in there.
I have faith in you. Put in the earpiece, and I'll guide you through it.
How am I supposed to find him? No one even knows what he looks like.
In the bag, you'll find a necklace with a hidden camera. Put it on. I'll be your eyes in the club. As long as you do your part, John will be just fine. Find it useful to order a drink and pretend to relax.
Vodka martini, please.
I doubt the people here use the word please.
Shaken or stirred?
Just give me the fucking drink.
That's more like it. wrong?
That's Chow Wong. I arrested him 5 years ago.
Then we'll have to move fast. Start walking around the club. I'll tell you where to find Jimmy.
So what's your end game in all this? Remove some rivals? Maybe take over LaFleur's throne?
Amusing. But no, my intentions are far more interesting.
Spoken like a true mastermind.
Careful, Agent Chen. You of all people should know the dangers of a kidnapping. Ai's right. He may find an individual of interest.
That's Jimmy?
Don't be fooled by his boyish good looks. Now find a way to get close.
So sorry.
Quite a cozy setup you got here, Jimmy.
LaFleur, you shouldn't be here.
What's happening?
It's LaFleur. He's here.
You're sure it's him?
We have a problem. Our mutual friend, Guy, met an untimely end tonight.
I had nothing to do with that.
I'm sure.
You say you did.
Get closer.
But it seems I got a leak, and I need to plug it.
Plug it how?
There's two types of people that could have done this. Both work for me. The ones on the streets or the ones in power.
What's your point?
My money isn't safe, and I want it moved tonight.
You know I can't do that.
You know what'll happen if you don't.
You're threatening me?
Ben oui. Il pense qu'on est venu ici pour jouer une game de mahjong.
Watch it, LaFleur. You're in my territory now.
Keep it made. You're out of time. Kill him now!
I knew it was you.
Vamos.
There are other people in power working for LaFleur.
End it now, Lily.
I can't.
Kill my whole family. Kill him. Kill him.
Tell me or else.
Please. No. Not again. Lily. Get to your car.
Just give me the next target.
Your next target is Nikolai Petrov.
The mission was a success. You now have Nikolai in custody.
A trusted member of Marcel's inner circle. Nikolai has with him information vital to Marcel.
Thanks to your intel, location of Marcel's next deal.
He's retreated to a safe house outside Marcel's reach.
We already extracted that information.
Oh, I'm not talking about that.
Then what?
Let's just say there's part of the puzzle you're better off not knowing. Your mission now is to retrieve the intel held by Nikolai, and then take him out before Marcel does.
I'm gonna need a weapon this time.
You'll find what you need in the trunk.
Send me the address.
Well, I'm afraid I don't have that information. Isn't gathering intel your forte?
There are rumors they're going after my organization. Ben non, je me sauve jamais d'un combat. Stick to the plan. If I'm right, which I usually am, I know exactly where they'll go next.
No?
I need you here. Lily. What's going on?
I need to talk to you, man.
Araç ça.
Who is she?
Let me check. Let me check. Fuck! Pull it out!
Your turn, love.
Allez faire ça ailleurs.
What do we do about that agent?
Did you find Nikolai?
Oui.
Then leave the rest to me.
Looking a little bruised. Everything okay?
I don't want to get into that.
Does this have something to do with John?
No. I'm here to resign.
You've just got the position you've always wanted, and you're resigning. You should sleep on this.
I have. I've made up my mind.
Where's this coming from?
That's none of your business.
With all due respect, Lily, what the fuck's gotten into you?
I need to take this.
Now?
Beau travail, agent Chen. J'imagine que tu sais qui t'appelle.
Oui.
J'ai trouvé Nikolai. Voyons qui arrive en premier. Bonne chance.
I have to go.
Lily!
That was risky what you did. I hope you didn't do anything rash. For John's sake.
You told me to figure it out, so that's what I did.
Fair enough. I trust you realize LaFleur is mobilized against you. Don't underestimate him.
Status?
All clear.
Check it again.
Copy that.
Hey! Knock it off.
Hey, don't shoot! Who are you? Hello.
She's here.
Marcel wants her alive.
We need to get you out of here.
I don't understand.
You will when Marcel's people put a bullet in your head.
Okay.
Let's go!
Marcel wants you alive. How about we settle this the old-fashioned way?
How about I put 2 in your chest?
Might be hard with no bullets. We'll make it fair.
Girlfriend isn't joining us?
She likes to watch.
Make it harder.
I can make it harder. I can make it harder.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Come on, give it to me. Yeah.
Okay. I know who you are, who you work for.
Give me the intel on Marcel.
What intel? Wait. You have no idea what they're capable of.
A little late to be worrying about that.
Yeah. Fine. I'll tell you. Marcel, he's linked to your agency.
I already know that. Why are you hiding? What do you have on him?
Hiding, you idiot. Huh? Don't you get it? Marcel wanted me here. He wanted me to tell you, and I did. Spoon-fed you.
What are you saying?
It was a diversion. For him and your people to do the real exchange. Yeah?
Where?
Oh, that's above my pay grade.
You better ask for a raise.
Oh, okay. His private compound, just north of the city. Crater Road. That's all I know.
Well, Nikolai, I guess you're no longer of use to me.
No. Please.
Is it done?
It is.
You disappoint me, Lily. And your husband will pay for it.
If you hurt him, I'll kill you.
Like you did Nikolai.
I'm warning you.
Hey, Lily.
What?
And next year... Oh, you can scream better than that. Come on, Lily.
Stop.
Come on, Lily. You can do this. John's begging you to. How's that feel, John? Come on, Lily. He's calling for you. Lily. It had to be done. Lily. Lily. Are you listening? Lily, are you listening? You see, you just needed a bit of motivation. There's a storage device on him. A USB key. Retrieve it.
Les gars sont éliminés. Et a compris Roméo et Juliette.
C'est poétique.
Regarde-moi ça, un homme éduqué. Roméo, c'était ton ami, right?
Ouais.
On devrait t'appeler Mercutio. Tu te rappelles de ce qui arrive à Mercutio?
Passe.
Tourne travailler, là.
Ah ouais, tabarnak, on se bouge!
Lily. Do you have the key, Lily?
Yes, I have it.
Good job. Now drop it off at the location I'm sending you now.
What's on it?
Information tying Marcel to officials and members of your agency who are corrupt. Seems Marcel thought it was best to hide it right under their noses.
What are you gonna do with it?
Let's just say justice will be served.
After I do this, you'll let John go.
We'll discuss your husband's fate once you've completed the task.
So my boss reached out with the idea of me starting to work remotely. Could get out of the city. Why are you excited? Did you move my ladder? Why? To get on my level. Hey, look at me, look at me. You're good.
Lily.
I want to talk to John.
That's not how this fucking works!
That's how it's gonna work now. Or I'm about to toss this USB out the fucking window.
Fine.
Lily, is that you?
John?
I'm so scared, baby. I don't even know where I am.
I'm so sorry, John. For everything.
What are you saying?
For making you feel isolated, for work always coming first.
All right. Bring him here.
For not being able to save you.
Come here, John.
I can't save you, John.
Time's up.
But I need you to know that I love you more than anything. And
say goodnight, John.
John! I love you, John!
What are you planning, Lily? We don't have time for this.
You thought you had me all figured out, didn't you? Really did your research.
Don't do this.
You knew what kidnapping John would do to me. That I could bear see him go through what I went through.
Lily, we can work
this.
this.
You thought I'd fall in line if I believed justice was being served.
Think about this, Lily.
Well, you're not some vigilante. My guess is you're one of the names on this key.
Okay, Lily, I'm warning you.
No, I'm warning you. Once I'm done here, I'm coming for you. So you better find a good hiding spot, motherfucker.
Si tu penses ma visée d'admirer l'accord, oublie ça. J'ai déjà investi trop de temps pour laisser tomber.
What do we do if she interferes?
Pourquoi poser la question si tu connais déjà la réponse?
Hello? Lily? Lily? Lily, what the hell?
I'm sorry. I need to know I can trust you.
Trust me.
Hands up. Sit down.
You have a lot of explaining to do.
How long have we known each other?
I don't know. 7, 8 years?
9.
Okay, 9.
In those 9 years, have you ever known me to lie?
No.
Deceive?
No.
Break the law?
No. Lily, it's me, Cindy. You can talk to me.
You know, when I was kidnapped, the uncertainty, the fear, it changed me. It changed us, John and I.
I can imagine.
You never really get over something like that. It does something to you. Leaves a scar. When I got out, I was lost. If it hadn't have been for John.
Where are you going with this? If you need help, we can get that.
Cindy, you're not gonna like this.
Terminé.
This sounds almost unbelievable. You're telling me that John's dead. That you killed Guy.
I was manipulated. But I'm here now and I want to make it right.
Manipulated by who?
My current guess is someone in power. Maybe within our own agency. That's why I had to be careful.
How sure are you?
This sure.
Okay, I understand. I'll be right in. This thing is already underway.
We have to warn them.
Leave it to me. You've done enough for tonight.
No. Nikolai gave me the location of Marcel's compound. He's gonna slip away.
This isn't something you can handle on your own. I'll take the intel to HQ. I'll call you when I have an update. Lily.
Don't you get it? Marcel wanted me here.
There's two types of people that could have done this. The ones on the streets or the ones in power.
The people in power working for LaFleur.
Help my whole family.
Does this have something to do with John?
It was a diversion for him and your people to do the real exchange.
The man who just left here is Mr. White. He runs a specialized unit. He believes you should take the lead.
You think she has what it takes?
Mr. White.
One of your agents keeps crossing paths with me. One might take that as an attempt on my life.
What agent?
Ne fais pas l'idiot.
What?
Don't play dumb.
You're making a mistake.
J'en fais pas d'erreur. Inquiète-toi pas, c'est pas profond. Juste assez pour travailler, créer, s'amuser. Qui t'envoie?
On s'en fout. C'est fini pour toi.
T'es sûr? J'entends pas de sirène. Est-ce que tu sais pourquoi? Parce que toute ton équipe est dans ma poche. Je te demande encore une fois. Qui t'envoie? J'admire ta persévérance. Ça va faire durer le plaisir. J'ai toujours aimé la couleur rouge. À grandir dans la rue, on la voit souvent, cette couleur-là. On apprend à l'apprécier. Même à la rechercher. Je vais te le demander une dernière fois. Qui t'envoie? Tu vas faire quoi, là? M'arrêter?
No. I'm gonna kill you.
time, why am I here? I was supposed to be debriefing.
You are. But it's me who'll be doing the debriefing. Have a look.
What is this?
Aren't you the least bit curious, Lily?
I don't understand.
You will, if you have a seat. As you can see, John is fine. He was never in danger.
How is this possible?
AI was used to simulate his voice.
Why?
Well, some would say motivation, but mostly to see if you can function in extreme circumstances.
You mean a test?
Exactly. And not only did you pass, you excelled.
According to who?
The division you applied to. It operates in the shadows, using unconventional tactics to gain valuable intelligence and bring criminals to justice, as you've done.
I killed people. I broke the law.
Like I said, unconventional.
Mr. White.
He works for me. It's my unit, Lily.
You put me through this? You wanted Marcel dead?
No. I wanted his intel without anyone knowing of its existence. Marcel's death was, well, a happy byproduct.
A happy fucking byproduct?
I apologize for the theatricality of it all, but it was necessary.
You profiled me. John, kidnapping. You knew I'd bring the intel to you.
I made an educated guess that you can complete the mission. Yes.
You used me.
What we do is hard and requires sacrifice. Remember, you applied to the division.
So what now?
Now, you have to make a choice. You can join my team. The real team. I always knew you were capable. Now you've proven it. But I will demand even more of you. Your marriage. John can never know the truth. Or you can return to your life. Of our organization and activity, you'll no longer be able to serve at the agency, and you'll be under surveillance for the rest of your life.